Once upon a time, in a small village by the sea, lived a little boy named Max. Max loved to explore the world around him, especially the vast ocean that lay just beyond his home. One day, he found an old canoe hidden in the reeds. Max was curious and decided to push the canoe into the water. As soon as he did, something magical happened. The canoe began to shine, and a soft, warm glow enveloped Max. He felt a sense of excitement and adventure fill him up. "Welcome, young one," a voice boomed, echoing through the canoe. Max looked around, but no one was there. "Your adventure awaits," the voice said again. Max embarked on a journey that took him to wonders he never thought possible. He saw schools of glowing fish, mermaids singing underwater tunes, and even friendly talking crabs. Each encounter taught him something new and beautiful about the ocean and its creatures. He also came across an island of treasures, filled with shimmering gemstones and a golden lighthouse. Max marveled at the sight, but he knew that the journey was not just about treasures. As the sun began to set, Max heard the voice again. "Remember, Max, the real treasure is the adventure itself. The journey changes us, not the destination." Max realized that the old canoe was more than just a magical vessel. It was a gateway to a world of wonder and learning. He promised to return to the magical canoe, ready for more adventures and the lessons they would bring. With a smile on his face and a heart full of gratitude, Max paddled the enchanted canoe back to his village, knowing that the magic of the ocean would always be with him. And as the canoe disappeared into the horizon, the stars above whispered a soft goodnight to Max, promising more magical voyages in the future. The end.